We're camping on the Hoh River, and we're gonna go to the Hoh Rainforest today.
Yeah, we're gonna look for some hikes, take schatzy up there, and see what we can find.
Yeah, so let's go. Parking lot full. Hour and a half from this point. So it's literally been, I don't know, like 2 minutes.
Yeah.
And we are already at the 1 hour sign. So it's moving quickly.
We'll get there in no time.
Yeah, quick. People are bowing out.
Good, gets us closer.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you. Moving on up. There's 2 more.
Yeah, and it's a Monday. So just remember.
It's Monday.
And
summer.
Yeah, climate change. No rain.
Yeah, it's a sunshiny day. Ooh, there's 2 clouds. Probably right over the rainforest.
Yeah, there's the 2 clouds. Well, we'll just wait. It's pretty, and there is cell phone service, so
maybe get some work done.
we'll check Bitcoin. We're getting closer. Okay, 30 more minutes.
That's it.
We're almost there. We're next.
Watch them stop us. Hello, good. How are you doing?
Yeah. No. Oh yeah, let's have a map.
Please.
Thank you. We made it!
Oh yeah, time to play.
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
We have to hunt for parking. Well, we can go park on the road. I'm okay with walking. One problem with having a big truck. We can go places, but we can't go places.
Can't fit into places.
Yeah.
Always had that problem. Never feel like I fit in.
Oh, right here. They just put the reverse lights on. Stop.
Yeah, that would be perfect. Come on back. Yay! Next to this big, gorgeous tree.
Thanks.
Shade our stuff.
All right, we're parked. We're gonna go to the visitor center.
Yeah, let's do it.
All of Moss's is right there. This is cool. What's on the menu? All of Moss's 0.8.
That sounds like a good one.
Yeah. Okay, so we are right here at the visitor center. We're gonna go around and do this Hall of Mosses trail. It's so clear. It's like the clearest water. This is probably the highlight of the whole hike. That's pretty.
Oh, it's deer. Okay, keep eating. I'll leave you alone. A lot of people won't notice you. It's not getting destroyed by the sun. Oh, this is no slog. You're a good no slog. Grew some big ones. Wow.
Yeah.
Please stay on a trail. Can you please make it a trail?
I know.
Because I'd really like to see that up close.
Major planter.
I guess that's what they call all of these down trees, huh? They die and become nurses.
Oh, that's nice. I like that. Love it. That's what I want to be in my aftermath life. A nurse log. Oh, it's warm.
I wonder if it's too much sun lately.
Yeah, I know. I feel like that's what I was saying about it being like dusty. I feel like, yeah, people are like walking and kicking it up, but it's also just such a dry climate right now over here, which isn't normal. It looks like it needs a good dusting.
Yeah.
Like, look at this. Doesn't this look like the rainforest is being burnt by the sun? That's all I see, is that everything is being burned. Climate change is real. Way too extreme. They're just being burned. This is the real story of the rainforest. All right, we're back in the car. We have this map in front of us, and this is where we are. And you can see there's not much to do in the area except for there's a few trails, but the park is very large, and there's more stuff over here and over here, which we'll be doing in a few days. But the trail is very pretty. It's just not, in my opinion, the time of year for it.
Which makes sense. The drought in the west, as you've seen, all the fires going on a little early this year.
There's no mushrooms right now. I was excited for mushrooms. There's no mushrooms. Yeah, the moss is very constricted. And the clovers are very closed. And the foliage has got a red tint to it.
It's getting beat up.
Like it's getting burned.
Is.
So, very pretty. Very accessible for people.
But maybe at different times of the year, you'd have a better time on the trail.
Yeah, more respect for the rainforest. But it is a very pretty place, so still
pretty.
recommend
It's
if you're in
pretty.
the area. Yeah. Okay, in a couple days we'll go to another spot.